Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 8, 2023. 3 star Sudoku. Third grade. We have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Second grade. We already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then fourth row. 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, we have pair numbers 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, 8th row, column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column J, we have 5. 8th row, 10th row also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column I, 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come here one of the cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 will come here one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then third grade, only one number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, fifth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 7th row, 6th row, we have 8. Column C also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. In column D, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 5. 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column B, only one number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 5. 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th grade and 6th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 7th row and 5th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 9. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 6, 4. Column E, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. In 6th row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 8th grid, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 7 also here. 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then 6th grade, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. 9th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 3rd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 3rd row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 2nd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.